Hey guys, welcome again to our channel. Today we're gonna continue with our tutorials about Watsonx-data. On this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to integrate database with the Watsonx-data platform. Basically, what I got is a remote database which I would like to ingest all the data from this database to our Watsonx-data. My database is come from the Heroku platform. The Heroku. I already got my Windows opening here. I'm in my platform. This is what we done. In last video, we've created the schema. We've created tables, and we've ingest data from CSV and JSON file. And now what we need to do is to ingest data we want to integrate. You see that if we come here to our infrastructure manager, we got here our engine. We got two engines, Spark engine and Presto engine. We got Kellogg's here, the iceberg and sample. But we are not using the sample Kellogg's. We just using the iceberg, where we got different tables here. All our tables, our data are considered on this iceberg, on this Kellogg's. And what we're gonna do is to add data. To do that, we can come here to our data management and come here to ingest table from compatible database. No, what we need is to come here to infrastructure. It's not here. We're gonna add new components here, and gonna come here now. Data source is a data source, not a data storage is a data sources. In my Heroku is I'm using the PostgreSQL, so I'm gonna choose the PostgreSQL to ingest data tables to my Watson-data. So I just have to select which one. It is impossible to select two options, just one. You can see here you got a lot of different resources, data resources here, like MySQL, Oracle, Greenplum, Henem, BigQuery, Amazon, or Redshift, the IBM Informatics. You got Cassandra database, you got MongoDB, MariaDB, and so on. So I'm gonna use the Postgre database. So all I need to do is to put the name of my database here. I'm gonna put just a fixed an imaginary name. So I'm gonna say like Postgre. No, I'm gonna say Heroku database, and then I'm gonna say my I have to get a set of my database credentials. I will need my database name, the host name, the port, the username, the password, and that's it. To do that, I'm gonna say that I have to come to my my CMD. I'm gonna have my prompt command, and I'm gonna have in my Heroku. This is my Heroku. I'm gonna show all the tables that I got here in my database. Is need to specify is a PG PSQL PSQL PGSQL. Yeah, I think it's I don't know, PSQL. It's only this PSQL, PG, PSQL. Wait, mean two factory is not Roku command. Roku by how? Okay, why? Why not? He's not a Roku command. No, it's a Roku. Roku. Okay, PG SQL. And specify the name of the application to play around. PSQL is not a local command. It's not okay. This is a fucking crazy. So so all I need to do is to say and tell TT to list my tables here. Got here how to use the history, current transactions, courses progress, courses and courses consent and so on. I got user table and user token here. So I'm gonna use all the credentials of this database and to log in or to integrate my database, my Watsonx-data. Okay, so to do so, I'm gonna come back to my Chrome. I'm gonna open my hierarchy here. It's oh, let's see, my machine has okay, guys. I already got my database credentials here. Put the database name, the host name, the port, the username, and the password. I'm gonna test it, check out if it's working. You can see here successful. It's done. So I have also the options to associate with some catalogs here. I have already some catalogs here. Got if I would like to associate with different catalogs, because it is not apparent the catalogs we've been using. So I'm gonna create another one. And create another one is let's say is iceberg. Iroku. Iroku, yes. Let's say Iroku catalog. Iroku catalog. Okay, it's done. Okay, guys, it's done. I got here the Roku catalog. Yeah, we got here the Roku catalog. If I would like to remove this association with this associate with this kind of catalogs, I just have to come here. I think yes, update, remove. I can remove it, but this is not what I'm gonna do. Is just control says. Okay, gotcha. Yeah. So we've created with our home catalogs. So we just now need to associate with our engine so we can query all the data on this database, on these tables. Okay, I'm gonna associate my engine or Spark engine. I'm gonna choose actually we just have one option, which is the my engine test. I'm gonna associate the my engine test, and that's it. So now let's go check out what we got here. Okay, I'm gonna refresh this. I got the Roku catalogs here. If I choose the name like the Kellogg's iceberg data, we should see our table here. But in our case, we've created our home catalogs for this kind of integration. So we got here the catalogs and the local database. It's here. So all our tables are in public and public schema. As you can see here, we got courses. Okay, if we come here, we got exactly the same tables here. Users, user token to if they have subscribers, payments, and so on. Exactly the same tables I got here. So if we would like to select this table to get to query on this table, we just have to come here to a workspace, and here we can query to this table. We just have to come here, like I'm gonna create users just to see what I got in users. Okay, no, I won't do that. I'm just let me go here to courses and gonna remove this and run it. Okay, I got here all the courses on this table. Got Python, basic Python course for beginners, and that's it. Okay, I'll get just a single column here, which is the course description, two columns, course description and course code. It's done. See you on next video. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe and okay, bye bye.